Nighttime surveillance cameras don't usually record in the highest quality. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily enhance the footage to get a clearer idea what's going on in the video and maybe make it more suitable for social media. Now, before we get to the step-by-step tutorial, let's clarify that we're not the CIA here. A video where you don't see anything because it's too dark and noisy won't magically become a cinema quality video. But this video, for example, can easily be turned into something like this. So, let's get started. I'll use the Video Enhancer AI tool in the UniConverter, so if you want to tag along, download the tool from videoconverter.Wondershare.com. When you have the UniConverter, open it up and click on the Video Enhancer AI in the top right corner of the interface. Here, you can import your video files in the supported file formats. And on the right side here, you can find the enhancer features. Today, our primary focus is on the Topaz Generative Enhancement function, which is a premium feature, but it's the one that we need for outstanding quality enhancement. So, first up, import your video clips. Then, choose the Topaz Generative Enhancement feature. Choose between 1080p and 4K upscaling. I'll go with 4K now to show you how capable this tool is. Then, after selecting an output folder, click on Export All. Wait until the process finishes, which can be faster or slower depending on your machine. Okay, let's look at some results. This was the footage before, and this is after. Surveillance systems usually don't run at a high FPS, frame per second. I mean, it makes sense. The amount of data they produce needs to be limited somehow as they run non-stop. However, if you need to slow the footage down or you want the motion in it to look smooth for purposes like content creation, you can use the frame interpolation function to enhance the frame rate of a low FPS footage. It's also very simple. Here is how. Import your footage. On the right side, choose the frame interpolation feature. Select either a 2x or 4x ratio. I'll go with 4x for the smoothest result. The same way, choose an output folder and click on Start All. Let's look at the result. This was before and this is after. Let me slow them down to give you an even better idea about what we did. See, the original one stutters like crazy, while the enhanced one is smooth as if it was shot in slow-mo in the first place. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and leave a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.